everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today we're going to be decorating some tier trays, so come on with me guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So I'm using some blessed napkins to place in the pink tier tray. I absolutely love that color pink. So we're going to be using the first tier tray for a little tea party. Now this video today is part of a collaboration and it's called Hopping into Spring Tier Tray Collaboration. I absolutely love it. It is an open invite. Okay, so the host of this collab is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's myself. I have At Home with Lisa, and we have Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. Okay, so the co-hosts are Sandy's Home and Garden, Design with Emma, and Jean Home Decor and more. Remember, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now let's go back to the video. Let's take a closer look at my tier tray and the little tea party set that I have right here on the side. So I love the way I set up the tier tray, and that little sign that you see there that it's tea time, that came from the Dollar Tree along with those little chubby birds. Aren't they adorable? Then we have the teapot. I thrifted that at the Goodwill. It is so adorable. It has bunnies everywhere. I love it. Then we have the teacups, and that I also thrifted, but the little tiny teaspoons were gifted to me. Okay, so let's move on over to tier tray number 2. Okay, so now this tier tray, we're going to go ahead and decorate with little accent pieces. Did you see that little ginger jar? It is the most adorable piece. That was a thrifted item I got at the Goodwill, and so I wanted to incorporate it in this tray. Now there are a few of these new decor pieces that I have for my tier tray, and they came from the Dollar General. Now you know I have to take my little white cross with me everywhere I go. So I placed that on the top part, and then I grabbed one of those little wooden bunnies, and that was from Dollar General as well. Okay, so tier tray number 2 is done, and I think it came out beautiful. Let's move on over to the next one. Now this tray here, I decided to use decor pieces also because I usually use these wooden tier trays to decorate my window. So let's see how this one comes out. I don't know how many of you got those little big chubby chickens. So I grabbed one in black and one in white. I think I like the black ones better. So how many of you, when you're decorating your tier tray, you kind of stuffed everything that you're thinking about, whether it's Easter or the cross or just little accent pieces or whatever's going on? It's like, that's what I decorate with these trays. All right, so this one is done and we are heading over to the reveal. Now, I absolutely love decorating these tier trays. How many of us know that the sky's the limit when it comes to them? You can use these trays for serving food, I mean, everything, for entertaining. Along with taking it along with you, it's mobile, so I really love that part. I had a great time in this collab. I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts that joined me in this collaboration. I so appreciate you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.